Welcome to the VIOLA Decor Studio channel. Today we will make a beautiful flower arrangement for Easter or spring holidays. All materials and tools are provided in the video description. First, let's make the base leg for the composition. For this, I took a glass candlestick. Clean it from dust and fingerprints. Be sure to prime it, preferably with a special primer for glass. But in my experience, metallic acrylic paint turned out to be a good primer for glass, but it needs to dry well for good adhesion to the surface, at least 2-3 days. To be safe, I painted in several layers. The second layer is black acrylic paint. Let it dry well. And the front layer will be in the color of the composition, dark green. Mix acrylic paints in the desired color. Paint and dry very well, preferably naturally, for at least a day. Now aging. First, brown water wax. Apply in places, wipe off the excess with a dry cloth. Dry it, cold hair dryer. Now with white water wax, also apply in places. Wipe off excess with a dry, if necessary a little damp, napkin. Dry it well. I also added brown bitumen. It gives a special mud, just the right amount of old, as needed. Apply again in places. Wipe off the excess with a dry napkin. Dry naturally. And where without gold, add shine with gold wax. Apply a little with your finger. Dry naturally. Let's move on to decorating the egg. My egg was made of foam and consisted of 2 halves. I glued it together with a glue gun. I chose artificial hydrangea and rose flowers, as well as eucalyptus leaves for the decoration. Separate all the flowers from the stems, leaving only the flower heads. Divide the eucalyptus branches into small pieces with individual leaves. Glue the eucalyptus leaves on the branches so that they do not fall off the wire stem. Now you can decorate the egg with flowers. Gradually glue flower after flower, alternating colors and types of flowers. Share the video with your friends so that as many people as possible can be inspired and create with us. Be careful when working with the glue gun. The molten glue is very hot. Take care of your creative hands. This process of decorating with flowers turned out to be quite long, but rewarding. The result is wonderful. Paint the lower part of the egg with green acrylic paint in the main colors of the composition. It will be visible through the twigs. You can paint the whole egg in this way before decorating with flowers. It's already very beautiful. If I had enough flowers to the end, I could have left it like that. But I had to add twigs from the bottom to close the egg. I twisted thin branches to make a wreath, the size corresponding to the size of the egg. In order for the wreath to keep its shape, I recommend twisting it with floral wire in some places. Now you can support the channel and become a sponsor. Subscriptions have options with additional video tutorials and training from me. I will be happy to create with you. Details in the video description. To attach the wreath to the egg, take a thick and strong floral wire and make pins out of it. Attach these pins to the egg. Additionally, fix it with a glue gun. I used a piece of foam to attach it to the candlestick. It depends on the shape of your candlestick. Attach a piece of strong wire to the foam and then wrap the egg around it. Also fix it with a glue gun. I left part of the bottom of the egg visible. I covered it with twigs. I also added a small felt butterfly. First, I attached it to the floral wire by making a pin. Then I inserted it on top between the flowers. Write in the comments whether the butterfly is appropriate or unnecessary. What else would you add to the composition? Thank you for watching, liking, and commenting. Please share this video with your friends so that more people can create with us. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and be the first to know about new videos. Love, Anna VIOLA Decor.